more items I purchased from Boohoo.com recently. As you all know, here in the UK they are very successful, and if you're unhappy with an item you can always return them. So as you can see here, I purchased 3 dresses and 2 tops. This very first top is a black crochet top in size UK 14, made in China and made of polyester. I really like this look, and you can wear it with a small top underneath if you don't want to just be wearing a bra. The crochet is very good quality, however it has a smell as if after being done was dumped on the floor. We saw several documentaries detailing how these people in the factories treat their items, so disappointing when an item smells like that. I have to remove this tag it came with, and I ordered it in size 14 because, as you know, I am a rather large breasted, so maybe I should have ordered in size 16. So I would suggest for you to buy this item in 2 sizes bigger than what you normally wear tight on your body. I can wear size 10 to 12 on the body, but this top should have been probably size 16 in order to be as large as I wanted. It is simply gorgeous. I love it. It reminds me of a similar top I used to have at university. I made for myself, and which was just gorgeous. Everything can be so cheap nowadays. Such great value for money, and is just amazing. I highly recommend for you to get this top. The next item is a Ruffle lace blouse. Is in size again UK 14, made in China, made of polyester, and I really like all those ruffles and the lace at the front and at the back. In the pictures on their website I noticed that this opening is only either at the front or at the back if you look carefully at the pictures as I did. So I was very pleased to discover that actually this is open both at the front and the back, and because of the front is not sewn together, you can remove these laces and wear it as a top, so you can open it and close it as you please. The lace is probably a mix of cotton and polyester and is great, and the sleeves are rather heavy, so I really like that when the sleeves are dropping so beautifully. The sleeves are elasticated there, but very good quality. Is a great item, and of course I'm going to keep even this item. next item is this off-the-shoulder ruffle dress in size UK 14, and I got it in orange. Is made in India, is made of polyester, and I really liked the summery look. I knew there was this opening at the front, but I didn't expect to be that big, and I was thinking, okay, I could put some black lace underneath, also to put some black lace at the bottom in order to make the dress appear as longer. But in the end I realized, you know what, this dress is rather transparent. It needs lining, and I purchased so many similar dresses from Boohoo.com this summer. Check my other videos on this. I decided to return it. It's not worth it for me to put all the work in and then what for? I'm going to wear it only once or twice and be done and dusted. So as you can see, it's very, very thin. The fabric is very transparent. It might somebody who is a size 8 to 10 UK, but if you are a size 12 like me, tending to wear even dresses like this, size 14, is not worth, as I said, the work to put the lace at the front and at the bottom. But otherwise it's a very cute dress. I really like this kind of Bardo style dresses with all the ruffles and everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. These last two dresses are both almost similar. Bardo puff sleeve dresses, both in size UK 12 because I like them to be tight on my body, both made in the UK, both a mix of polyester and elastane, which means the fabric will be stretched. The difference between the dresses is in the fabric, which you can't understand unless you are wearing them. This first dress has a thicker stretch fabric than the next dress, doesn't have an opening at the back as the next dress, and also has got lining. I honestly don't understand why they put any lining on this dress and not on the next one, bearing in mind this dress is thicker fabric than the next dress. And what for, you are wondering? There is no point in doing that, but I really like the puff sleeves. They are beautiful on both dresses, and because they are similar you might think, you know what, what's the point? But you know what, they are beautiful in different ways. And although you can wear them during the day for an event or in the evening, I might even put some haberdashery on one of them just to create a difference. What is also interesting, both of them are size UK 12, but this dress is 2 inches bigger than the next dress, as you're going to see soon in the comparison. So I put the next dress on top of this dress and I thought, what's going on here? I think the next dress is smaller. So indeed, look at the comparison here. This next dress in the hips area is 1 centimeter at the front and 1 centimeter at the back, which means, inches, 1 inch at the front, 1 inch at the back, which means 2 inches altogether. However, because they are stretched and tight on me, you can't understand that, and if I'm really bothered, I can always adjust the bigger dress to make it smaller. So as you can see, they are both similar, both almost the same type of dress and quality, so I decided to keep them both. As ever, I hope all this information was of help to you, helped you in choosing the right dresses from Boohoo.com. I like this site so much. I keep coming back every few months to buy some great dresses, which I can't make them myself anymore because of my arthritis and sciatica recently. So I can always modify and do them as I please. Well, with this in mind, thank you for watching. Have a very nice day. Bye.